Welcome back, welcome back. This video is basically made for the new gardeners. There's a lot of new gardeners out here that they never planted anything before, they never had a garden, they never see how thing grows, they never see these things. And a lot of them is actually coming on YouTube to search for these information because it's important if you can grow something for yourself. It's important to learn because as we see, a lot of things is getting expensive, and if we don't want to try to grow something, I don't know what to I don't know what to say. But for the people who actually trying to grow something, there's a lot of information out there, and it's a lot for one person to really intake. So I think if you want to do gardening, I think you want to know exactly what you want to grow the things you like, and grow things that does well in your zone. So it's easy to find these things out. You can get these things online. You also can walk around and ask your local farmers about these type of stuff. These are wild berry just growing right here. So like I'm saying, there's a lot of information out there, and if we don't be careful, we get discouraged and we wouldn't even start a garden. So I just want you to understand. Let me make these things clear, guys. Let me make these things clear. First of all, gardening is not just a walk in the park where you just walk outside and you just grow, put something in the soil, and you just leave it there and you just walk away and then you come back and you harvest. There's a lot of wild plants like the wild berry I now show you, where you don't need to do anything to them. They're gonna just do what they do. But when you talk about potato, cabbage, these edibles that you grow, you have to take care of them. And I just want you to understand that it's not gonna be easy. It's also gonna be challenging. Sometimes you plant something, you take care of it, and it still still don't do well. So it's a learning process. You have to remember it's a learning process, and it's not going to happen overnight. The best thing for you to do, you could learn from others, but the best person for you to learn from is yourself. Making mistake in a garden is not really a mistake. It's where you learn something. So now you know you're not supposed to do that again. You're going to try something different. So in your garden, it's actually a school. And if you connect yourself, find yourself connecting yourself with nature, nature teaches you as well. So I'm not going to sit here and tell you that gardening is easy, because it's not. It's very challenging. Sometimes I come out here in the garden and I got to put in a lot of work. Sometimes I see a plant mightn't doing well. I got to make sure I take care of this plant and make sure it catch back itself. So it's a learning process. So don't get discouraged. Don't get out there and believe it's a 1, 2, 3. I don't want you to get discouraged with these videos, because a lot of these videos not giving you the ins and outs. Sometimes you got to put your hand in dirt, or you use a gloves. If you don't want to put your hand in dirt, nothing is wrong with that. But do not come into this thing believing is a 1, 2, 3 and you're going to learn everything overnight. It's a process and it takes time. All right? It's a process and it takes time. But the more you do it, the more you learn. The more you do, the more you learn. The more you experience, the more you learn. Because nobody is telling you. You experience. So if you are a new gardener, yes, you could take ideas from others. But the greatest teacher in gardening is going to be yourself. Learn from your mistake. If you did something this year and it did not work for you, try something different. That doesn't mean you give up. All you do, you try something different and see if it's gonna work out the following year. You cannot learn everything one time. You're not gonna learn everything in the first year. No, the more you do it, the more you learn. All right, you pay attention. Sometimes you got to take notes. Sometimes you got to take notes. If you cannot remember, you take notes. So the following year, you know exactly what you're doing and what you're not doing. All right, so for the new gardeners, man, shout out to you guys. Follow this channel. I'm going to encourage you guys the best way I can. I'm going to encourage you all. I'm going to teach you all. I'm going to help you all the best way I can. This is a natural garden and we only grow our food natural. So we only could talk about growing food natural. We cannot talk about using different things because we don't use them. So over here, it's about gardening the natural way. All right? So to the new gardeners, guys, don't give up. Don't get discouraged because it's not a journey you're gonna learn overnight. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.